Hello, friends. Your teacher Adriana here, and today we will be doing a short activity on grammar mistake. And first, what remembers what are grammar errors? Um, Grammar errors are infractions or deviation from the structural and normative role of a language, which affect the correct construction of sentence, arrangement, the use of verb sentence, or syntax, hindering the clear understanding of message. As we previously heard, grammatical mistakes are common slip-up when straddling literally or applying strictly correctly in English. Next, we will put what we've learned to the text with a true or false dynamic. True or false challenge. This is a dynamic, visual, and very simple activity to put together, perfect for evaluating whether students can quickly identify common mistakes. So, let's play. The first are is if I will study, I will pass the exam. What is the answer? True or false? Exactly. It's false. False. If the correct sentence, the pronoun is if I will stop. If will pass the exam. Next sentence. I will ascend to English class tomorrow. What is the answer? Perfect. The answer is true. I will ascend to English class tomorrow. The next sentence. Where did you went yesterday? What is the answer? Where did you went yesterday? The answer, no truth, is four. The verbs they used no went. The correct forms is where did you go yesterday? No went. And finally sentence. She was born in July. She was born in July. Is true or false? Excellent. is true. This one is true. Having the agree option with a true sentence is used correctly for not. Great job, guys! Remember to keep practicing grammar's mistake.
Okay, guys, as you can see right here, we're going to continue with the last part of this video, and we're going to work with common mistakes in the third person singular. Adjective of this part is the summary, the conclusion, and the sentence, as you can see right here. Okay, so in summary, the topic that we will be working is, as you can see, is the common mistakes in third person of the singular. In summary, one of the most common grammar mistakes in English is forgetting to use the correct verb from uh, form with the third person singular in the present simple tense. But what is the third person singular? Third person singular is used when we're talking about one person, one animal, or one thing that is not speaker or listen. For example, he plays soccer, she studied English, or it works, like the personal pronouns. As you can see, we have a basic rule. In the present simple, we add x or es to the main verb when the subject is he, she, or it, as you can see right there. So we have the when to have s is a basic rule that is when we have ch, sh, x, or o. Okay, so we continue going some examples right here, but we have the other verb that ends in y, and if the verb ends in a consonant plus y, change the to a I and a at es and add es. Example: study, studies; carry, carries; try, tries. We have the verb to be right here as well. Different rules, or the verb to be is regular, so we have for each different personal pronoun a different way, like am, are, or is for the third person. There is some more examples with the verb to be. Common mistakes that we can see: he plays soccer, he plays the x. All of these mistakes always happen, or almost always happen, with the third person. Why it is important? Right here, using the correct third person singular form makes your English grammatically accurate and easy to understand. It's essential. Right here is a little assessment. As you can see, you can practice your English and your knowledge about all this presentation with this. And in conclusion, the third person singular is one of the most important grammar rules in English because it is frequently in every communication. Understanding when and how to use it, and when and how to use he, she, and it correctly helps learners build accurate sentences in both speaking and writing. So this is all, and thank you.